Jano Star, Jump Out TV production. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo, hear me I say. Brother, me know how woman things set, and me know how bun set. And me know when a man spend per woman and do certain things to woman and invest them time and resources. Me know how that set. And if a woman ungrateful, cheat per you, wicked. So we know we all of that set and whatsoever. But at the same time, you're not responsible for a woman go fuck per you. You're not responsible for a woman cheat per you. If a woman cheat, that is her selfishness or her desire or whatever she want to do. What you are responsible for is your own life. You understand? And brother, when you go drink grandma zone and a vomit and grandma zone almost killing me, tired for here say, oh no, I kill yourself over a woman. Oh no, I hang over a woman. Oh no, I kill a woman and kill a bikini and kill a man and woman left for no, I kill on yourself. And I talk about no woman can't left for no. The only way them left for no unless on the dead or she dead. Brother, on a big man, too much woman out there. For no a killer for yourself. If the woman say over, move on. If your woman cheat on you, move on. Brother, we been there, done that, and I like say we attack. And we not talk from experience, we know how bun feels. But understand, woman nature, woman have feelings. Right? They are human beings too. Just like how we got cheat, woman, we got cheat too. A woman want fuck too, a woman want sort out. But at the same time, she has certain desire or certain feelings where you, the man, not take care of. Leave her, brother. Tell her if go on. Go look somebody else or stay by on yourself. Life too precious. If you kill your life, you kill yourself over pussy. Or I kill yourself over woman. Sorry for my language, but at the end of the day, on always do them thing. Some female afraid to move on, some of them use or whatever. It is life. Pick up yourself and move on. When I say easy, brother. But there is hope while you're still alive. There is no hope when you're dead. We're tired to hear someone kill off a woman them and lose on a life over sort out over sex. And look how life precious, brother. And you drink grammar zone. A switch just go off in your head and a grammar zone. You feel if you go well cut up inside. Okay. You can't wicked to yourself, so when you kill yourself, the woman is still there, a sort out and still a live with man. You love the blood clean woman over yourself. So when you're dead and gone, she not still there, take wood papa. Love the woman and move on. That right there to show me say you're weak. You understand? I mean I say born easy. We've been there, done that, but we learn from it and we grew and it make we a better person. That right now, if me come in and find out say my wife I give me bun, that no say me nah go holler. That no say me nah go cry a week or 2 weeks. But me call to her thugs them and make them know where I go and get some counseling and ship her off. Make she take her things and go. Or take where she take her go or me go. But me nah kill her, me I go look a sweeter woman or a better woman or me stand by myself. Because someone have to learn if you can't live by on yourself. And then at the end of the day, no disrespect, brother, but if you kill yourself over pussy, that show how weak you be. That show why the woman even cheat on you because you don't think you can stand up for yourself. If you was a real strong man in yourself, stand up for yourself, me understand that you have feeling. But tell her if you go on, or you lower and go look somebody else. Look at even better girl, make she say, yeah, go up a ladder. But when you kill yourself, she not still there, you take wood papa. Jano, tired for hear man, I chop up woman, I chop up bikini. Like on a mentally something wrong, like a switch that's chip in your head, brother, I know it's not easy. But this is why I have a whole meditation and understand that this is life. You understand? This is not a car accident where you're dead sudden. You have to pray things and know say anything can happen in a life. You can come in, cause see a man par your woman or whatsoever. Yes, you know, feel good. But move on, Papa. If some man tell you some bun where them get on people, move on. Bun been around forever. You know what farmer can go on farmer come home cause sick kids and them hold it. But these days, these man just a kill themselves. Man just a kill themselves, man a hang, man a drink Gramazone. Back in the days when you hear things like this happen, everybody surprised. Now it's the norm. If you see it on social media. You did a vomit all the Gramazone green like John O'Star. Yo, you mess up all my night to blow. Call I see it, Papa. Yo, I trainer know. People, like, comment, share, subscribe. Jump Out TV production. I'm out.